Is your Canon 3500 printer showing as offline and refusing to print? Don't worry, this is a common issue that's usually caused by a driver problem, a stuck printer spooler service, or incorrect printer settings. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple methods to bring your Canon 3500 back online and get it printing again. If you need extra assistance, call the numbers on the screen. Now let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Uninstall printer and reinstall it. Alright, let's start by opening the control panel again. Just head to the search bar on the taskbar, type Control Panel and open it up. Once you're in the control panel, go ahead and click on the Hardware and Sound. Now, select Devices and Printers from the list that appears. When the window opens, click on Printers and Scanners to see all the printer connected to your system. Look through the list and find your Canon 3500 printer. Once you see it, click on it to select it. Now, you just have to click on the Remove option to uninstall the printer from your computer. This removes all the drivers and settings associated with your printer. If a confirmation pop-up shows up asking if you're sure, simply click Yes to go ahead and remove it. Alright, now let's add your printer back. Click on the Add Device option at the top of the window. Your computer will search for available printers. When your Canon printer name appears in the list again, click on Add Device right next to it. Just give your computer a moment to reinstall the drivers and that's it. Your Canon 3500 printer is now reinstalled and should be back online and ready to go. Now, if the problem is still showing up even after reinstalling, don't worry, we've got more methods to try. Let's move on to the next method and restart the print spooler. Method 2. Restart the print spooler. First, open the search bar on the taskbar. Just type Services and click on it, and when it pops up in the results. Alright, once the Services window opens, scroll down a bit until you find Print Spooler in the list. Now, simply right-click on Print Spooler and choose Restart option from the menu that appears. You'll see a small pop-up while it restarts. Just give it a moment to finish the restart process. Once that's done, your Canon 3500 printer should be back online and working perfectly. If the restarting the print spooler didn't fix the issue, there might be one more thing. Sometimes there's a setting on your printer that's manually set to offline mode. Let's check for that and turn it off if it's enabled. Method 3. Ensure Use Printer Offline is not selected. Alright, let's start on your computer. Head down to the search bar on your taskbar and type Control Panel and open it up. Once the control panel opens, just look for Hardware and Sound and click on it. Now, go ahead and select Devices and Printers. Next, click on the Printers and Scanners to see all the printers connected to your system. From the list, find your Canon 3500 printer model and click on it to select it. On the next screen, scroll down a little bit and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. This opens the full printer management window. Now, locate your Canon 3500 printer again in the list. Right-click on it and a menu will pop up with various options. From that menu, go ahead, and click on See What's Printing. This opens a window showing all your print jobs and printer settings. When the new window opens, click on the Printer tab at the top. This is where all the printer options are located. And finally, look for the option that says Use Printer Offline and make sure it is not checked. If you see a check mark next to it, that means your printer is manually set to offline mode.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.